This is the latest and greatest Seconds Chance Watch. It can do more than just tell the time. It can also change it. You can go back to the past to fix any and all mistakes. Man, look at that poor chap. That mistake will set him back 5 pounds. But he has the Seconds Chance Watch.
Guys, I think I like Devon. Should I ask him out?
Ew! You should not have said that, girl.
Guys, I think I like Landon. Should I ask him out?
Yes, definitely.
See, if she didn't have the Seconds Chance Watch, she would have lost all of her friends. Oh, look at those two. Either they're really shy, or they really got something going on. Oop, nothing to see here.
Side effects include headaches, nausea, vomiting, aging faster, aging slower, wrist pain, leg pain, killing your own grandfather, ripping a hole in the universe, world-ending temporal anomalies, and black hole ripping.